Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading Xo as a track plugin inside your DAW. Once loaded, run the folder scan so Xo can analyze samples and create cells. This is faster than manual import and builds the workspace. Make sure tempo sync and grid size match the session. Choose 1/16 or 1/8 depending on rhythmic detail. Next, glance at the automatic grouping and immediately drag a few sample groups to the sequencer to begin shaping a pattern. This gets you producing, not prepping. Once your cells are in place, you'll sculpt each one. Adjust pitch, filter cutoff, and the XY pad to define timbre and stereo placement. Then sequence patterns, varying velocity and sample start to avoid static repetition. Time shift a few hits to humanize the groove. Use grouping to control related cells together and map macros to multiple parameters so single knobs alter tone, decay, or reverb send across an entire kit. These steps let you move from raw loops to a playable, dynamic instrument. To finish, export your patterns or drag MIDI into the DAW for arrangement, then bounce stems. Choose wet or dry depending on later mix needs. Tighten performance by using transient quantize or manually nudging sample. Start points by a few milliseconds to lock the pocket. If you encounter audio dropouts or CPU overload, freeze the Xo track or lower the polyphony and reduce voice count. These fixes are quick and maintain sound quality, so you can continue producing without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.